two of the best passive income ideas for business-minded people. I'm talking people who are great at networking parties and great at socializing. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this video. Thanks for returning back to the channel. This is the place for business funding, business credit, and real estate. Now, stick around until the end of this video. I'm going to have some really good bonus information for you today. So let's get right to it. All right, so what does it mean when everybody's talking about passive income ideas? All right, passive income basically means you do something one time and you get paid over and over, or you get paid later. That's basically what passive income is. Now, I just want to make a note that when I talk about passive income, I'm mainly speaking about not working a 9-to-5 and not punching anybody's clock. Okay. What I've been finding a love for lately is just helping people with side hustles and giving them ideas to make an income outside of their employment. So passive income to me may be something different for other people, but I'm going to just get right to these great 2 ways to get passive income for business-minded people. All right, number 1. So many of you might know that I started to help businesses to get funding. I started this in 2021. Okay, so it quickly became a love for me and a full-time business for me, right? So when I started doing business funding, at first, I was doing it as an affiliate marketer and through my mortgage brokerage. Okay, so I have now just recently started my own business funding brokerage. That means that I'm part owner and that I can offer so many more services to a larger variety of people. All right. So let's get to you. Let's get to how this is a passive income idea for you, right? What I want to do is offer a program so that if you know people and you know business owners who might fit the description of a program that I'm offering, some kind of startup business funding program or equipment funding program, say you know people who might benefit from these, I want to be able to offer you a commission. Right? So that's kind of just like the same thing I did in the beginning. I worked as an affiliate marketer. When I brought in clients, I would get a commission. I want to offer that to you. So what I need you to do is check the description box below this video. I'm going to have lots of details and resources for you to sign up. All right, let's get to passive income idea number 2. And this one is for real estate agents. Now, if you are a real estate agent, you might have heard of eXp Realty. Now, I recently joined and partnered with eXp Realty. Even though I have a real estate brokerage, I did partner with eXp Realty because I do see the passive income ideas and I see the passive income potential at eXp Realty, right? So the way it works is when you sign up some other realtors at eXp Realty, you'll get some revenue share, right? You'll get some revenue share and you even get stocks when you sell real estate at eXp Realty. So, you know, some realtors are just receiving checks of thousands and thousands of dollars per month without selling a house. Now, if you've been in the real estate world for quite a while, you know that realtors only get paid on results and when they sell a house. And in this crazy market that we're having in 2022, that can be a challenge. So if you are interested in joining our team at eXp Realty, I will also put a link below. Check in the description box down below. All right, so now if you like anything you've heard in this video so far, go ahead and press that like button or leave your favorite emoji in the comment section. All right. All right. Now here's that bonus information I told you about. If you are interested, I mentioned in the beginning that when I first started doing business funding, I was working as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you are interested in becoming an affiliate marketer to do business funding, I will put that link below here as well. My website is rockagents.com. So I will post that below. Also, let me just tell you this. If you want more details about all things making money online and affiliate marketing, depending on when you see this video, I have a workshop coming up, and it'll be all about how to make 5 to 10K per month online, right? Without leaving your house. Now, this making money online became very important to me because, as I said, prior to COVID, I worked full time as a realtor, and that means a lot of driving, a lot of wear and tear on your car, and a lot of long hours outside of your home. So if you want to learn more about making money from your phone, right? From your phone, from one of these. All right. If you want to learn how to make money from your phone, from your home, definitely you probably want to sign up for the masterclass that we have coming up. And if you're watching this later, a couple of weeks after this recording, then you will be able to access the replay. All right, that is it for today. It's Katina the Broker. And again, this channel is all things business funding, business credit, and real estate. So go ahead and press that like button if you did like the video, and I will see you next time.